doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Hi guys, welcome back. I'm KIKICONIC, and if you're new here, welcome. In my channel, you'll find all the tips and techniques how I do my boy to girl makeup transformation. So be sure to subscribe to my channel. All you have to do is just click the subscribe button and the bell notifications so you get notified when I have a new video. In today's video, I'm using my Urban Decay Born to Run palette. I will show you guys how I did this look. Anyway, without further ado, let's go on with the transformation. But before we begin, I want to remind you guys, please subscribe to my channel. So this is the final look using my Born to Run palette by Urban Decay. By the way guys, for the lips I use my MAC lip liner. This is the Follow Your Heart and the Strip Down. And for the lips I use my NYX Cosmic Metals. This is the lip cream, and I top it up with my Fenty Beauty lip gloss. This is the orange lip gloss. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. All you have to do is just click the like button. I want to say goodbye to everyone and thank you again for sticking around and watch my video. Have a great day guys, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye.
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.